Looking for the best folding sideline benches? In this video we look at some of the top 3 folding sideline benches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Trademark Innovations, Sports Bench. Pros: does not require any assembly. Bench is sturdy enough for both adults and children. Offers a great option for outdoor events year-round. Comes with a convenient carrying bag that allows you to easily pack up the bench and take it with you on the go. Cons: legs tend to break easily. Less durable than many comparable benches. No backrest to bench. Bottom line: a 6-seat folding sideline bench that can be set up in just seconds. At number 2. Yaheetech Folding Sideline Bench. Pros: steel frame boasts exceptional strength. Each seat is capable of supporting up to 200 pounds. Seats are equipped with backrests to ensure you can sit comfortably at all times. Double-layer fabric seats are designed to withstand rain, sleet and other harsh weather conditions. Cons: tends to come loose at the seams, even after minimal use. Bottom line: a superior folding sideline bench for those who prioritize comfort and portability. At number 1. Kwik Bench. Pros: offers ample space for up to 6 people. Steel frame is collapsible for added convenience. Nylon bench is versatile and stylish. Comes in a variety of attractive colors. Sold with a nylon carrying bag for easy transport. Cons: legs sometimes separate from the bench's feet. Can be difficult to secure nylon cover to the frame. Bottom line: a durable folding sideline bench that is sure to serve you well consistently. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.